All right, guys, welcome back. This is day 3 of the Shingle project. They were done at the end of day 2, but they just came back for the dumpster and a couple other things on day 3. But we're going to go up there today and take a closer look at that shingle design and color. It's a really unique color design, Cedar Falls. So let's take up the drone and get a closer look. And guys, this time we're getting closer, because there's no workers up there to interfere with, and we can get a real good close-up. All right, we're connected. All right, we're connected to 9 satellites at the moment. So it looks like we're safe to go. Start the engines. Away we go.
Recording started.
There we go, there's a good view. Now I can't really tell if it's picking up colors or not for you. I might have to put a sample on screen next to this video. Because of the small screen I'm using here, can't see too much. But look at the dimensions on these shingles. They look really nice. Okay, we'll get down right on it, and that should have a little bit of sun on it. Take a little spin. There's our solar light and DirecTV satellite dish. They remounted that for us. I just have to have DirecTV come back out to align it properly. Has to be re-aimed. So I really like the dimensions that this shingle gives with the multi-color shades. There's our pool area. They did not damage any screens, which is a good thing. And if we go over here, they did add a vent. The estimator told me that we should have a vent on the in-law suite here, because the peak was too narrow for a peak vent like we have on the rest of the house. So they even painted it to match the roof color. Pretty good match. And then on these other major peaks, we have the ridge vents that sort of blend in. And there's another ridge vent at another upper level there. And another ridge vent right up there. So there you have it, guys. I'd have to give this company, Sharpe Roofing, an A+. Fantastic job. They still have to subcontract out to repair our garage ceiling, texture it and repaint it. But other than that, the majority of this project is done. I'm very happy. So guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the whole three-part, 3-day series on getting a roof job done on your residence. Maybe it was helpful, maybe it was just nice to watch. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.